Okay. Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. I went to the mailbox to grab this, what I was waiting for. I bought it on June the 5th from Burnaby, Vancouver, BC. And I'm in Edmonton, Alberta. And I'm opening the package for you guys to see. Ta-da! Oh my, she put cinnamon stick. Oh, this is nice. Oh, wow. Look how fluffy it is. I think she only has a couple of rabbits. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's so soft. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so look how it looks. Oh my goodness. So again, these animals are not harmed. Every 90 days, 3 months, they need to be plugged, or else, they would be too hot, right? So therefore, these rabbits needs to be, I bought 2 listings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin this gorgeous, I wish you put it in a bag. Yeah, not good packaging though. What can you do? Because I pack all of my handmade items, yarns, put them in a bag. See, it got stuck on this. It's not that much. And she wrote a message, thank you, I guess saying thank you. English Angora raw fiber, hand groomed. Indoor pet bunny, no harm have ever came to harvest. See? And I will put her link as I message. I found her on Facebook actually. Isn't it funny? But I had to buy it through Etsy. But I did message her because I don't want to go through Etsy. There's too many fees and I don't want her to pay fees, right? Because I found her on Facebook. So that's why I asked her if she has more, please message me. Okay, and you guys can see, so only 1 ounces. See? I think I paid 40, almost 50 Canadian dollar for the total, including shipping. But she didn't ship with tracking, so she just shipped with a stamp. So it's under $2. But this envelope, I guess it's $3, $4, right? Okay, so as you can see, isn't this gorgeous? Okay, and the hair is long. Just wanted to share you this, and I did share the link. So yeah, there's greens. That's okay. I will card this, as I do have a tutorial on how to card, because I did knit a huge cardigan. And it was shipped to UK. Look how long it is. This is what I'm looking for. But I'm always looking for satin. See, this is Angora, English Angora, English Angora. So this is not satin. I did message to another lady. I said I can, I'll pay her on Monday, which was a Friday or a weekend. And I never heard back from her, and it's been months, so I don't know. I don't want to, push people if they don't want to sell their fiber, right? Again, I found her through Facebook. See, look how, see, this is long. Yeah, so I hope you like this short video. I just wanted to share you my unboxing, because I'm not buying yarn. But this is unboxing as well. On opening. I just wanted to share this gorgeous. But the cinnamon stick, do you know anything about these? If you know, please let me know, because this is the first time. It doesn't smell, but first time. I'm going to ask her, because I never ever, I've been buying Angora rabbit raw fiber from all over the world. And this is the first time someone, you know, put it in, included a cinnamon stick. Here's her link. But I will put below, because it's really hard to read, I will pin it. That's what I'll do. Yeah. So I hope you like this short unboxing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And please do not forget to hit that notification button, so every time I post a new video, you will be notified. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.